Hey folks, I'm driving, so I'm going to point my eyes at the road. I'm not going to talk to you straight in the eye, but I'm on my way to a pickup. And I am hopefully going to push record this time. Last time I forgot and missed the haul while it was happening. So I hope you enjoy it and sit back, relax, and have a cup of tea or coffee or whatever you're gonna do and watch for a few minutes. And I'll catch you on the other side. dumpster. D is for dumpster. This is one of the regular ones that I frequent, but I haven't frequented them in a bit. So, let's see what we got. Got a mystery bag and a couple boxes, a can. I'm gonna see if I can get this mop stick out. It's way down in there, so, and the dumpster's not that full at all. Okay, cool. Use that stick to get the other stick. Yeah, I boogered up my other mop stick with the paint thing on the end, so I will need a new one. Okay, gonna check one more and then we'll be home. Go home. See, damn it. Yikes, it's hot. Whew, I can't see on that side, so I had to come around here and see if it was recording. Alright, let me see. Where are my sunglasses? I need my stick. There's a live plant in there. I have them. Bobbin. Oh gosh, put on. Freshly watered. Huh. I'll take it home and love it until it dies. I don't have a very green thumb, but I will at least enjoy it while I can. And maybe it will live for a while. Who knows? Actually, I'm gonna move it up front. Don't you go anywhere. Onward to home. Onward, Christian soldiers. Beep. 33 minutes of content. I can hopefully get that down. Noises. So I wanted to share with you the stuff that I got from my pickup and dumpster diving. So here we go. My marigolds are holding out. They're almost dead in that one. The terracotta dries out so fast. But yeah, they're actually holding up. We may make it to August. Woo, that'll be a record for me. Ooh, dragonfly. Look at you. Beautiful. Love it. I'm gonna take a picture of that if I can. Well, folks, I'm back home. Let's see, can I get out farther? All right, you can see what I got here. That's an old rock tumbler. Sold one of those a couple months ago. 1, 2, 3, at least 3 CBs. A whole bunch of miscellaneous metal, detritus, blah, blah, blah. Can't talk. interesting. Hey, how are you? And I can't do that right now, sorry. Of course, right when I want to do my recap, I'll go in the house and I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, hopefully he's on the other side of the block and won't come over here for a little while. What's this? A field strength CB ham SWR meter. Huh. In the box. I wonder if it works. Wonder if it sells. I'll check. Wow, that looks pretty new. I'm off on here. See, I always have a hard time with the close-ups. And I'm holding it in my hand. Did you see that? I'm pretty sure you did. Field strength SWR meter. CB ham. Got the instruction book. I will see if there's any market for that. And the CB hams. Collectibles. I'd like to take one apart at least. What's this? Ah, another alarm clock. They like their Radio Shack alarms in that family. Alright, what else? An alternator, a couple irons. Those are old irons. Cool. I guess I could ask for a few bucks on those. Oh, here he comes again. Hold on. Oh, I showed you all this. I need to clean it up. Here's the live plant that I got out of the dumpster. Holy cow. And I think I said it was freshly watered. Isn't that crazy?